Hey guys, so I was kind of expecting a green day today to be honest, but instead SPY put in its fourth red day in a row now, so we have now gone from our 378.3, we have fallen through what I thought would be our 362.8 support. We didn't quite make a new 52-week low, and once we did hit this 357 level, we saw a really nice rally. I would have really liked to see us get back over 361, but as of right now, we are still basically in a holding pattern. We could almost really just extend our sideways channel down here. So basically what we're doing right now is consolidating. I do expect a move up. I was mentioning this diamond pattern you can see right here. We did break through that support right there, but we still have a nice resistance line. So that resistance is key at 362.8 tomorrow. If bulls can take that level back, I do think we're going to see the 370s before CPI on Thursday. I'll be looking for, really realistically, be looking for Wednesday night close to be somewhere in the 370s. However, if we break below 357 tomorrow, we might see a bigger move down, even into the 340s before CPI even hits. So those are my key levels for tomorrow, is this 357.1 and then 362.9. Looking at futures, same thing. We broke through our diamond pattern right here. Same thing, we could really just extend our support down to 3,600. That seemed to be where we bounced really aggressively at. You can see the support line is gone now. So now we have this dotted line, which I'm going to make solid since I got rid of my other one. So we have this black solid resistance line for tomorrow right here at 3660. Key support still going to remain at 3600. Futures shows a little bit better of a consolidation. You see we kind of went up, down. It should go back up now. So I'm going to be looking for us to get into 3700s before CPI on Thursday. Looking at Apple, same thing. And Apple really already had the channel of 146.5 to 138.2. Really, Apple, it's hard to be bullish or bearish right now until it does one of these. It did break the diamond pattern, the resistance right here. So we are basically just seeing a falling wedge now. So I'm going to be watching this closely tomorrow to see where we go. Putting in this nice gravestone doji right here. Dragonfly doji right here, especially on a downtrend with a gap above. I do expect to move up tomorrow. Key resistance to break through, though, is going to be this 142.5, and eventually we're going to try to gap fill right here at 145.22. Key support I'd like to see held regardless of what happens tomorrow is 140. However, if we lose 138.2, then I think Apple is going to start breaking down here into like the 130s, even the 120s. If CPI misses on Thursday, I think Apple will be a good short position in addition to SPY, and I also think Tesla will be a good short, which we'll talk about now. So Tesla looked actually pretty decent today. It held this 223 line really well, and even this morning, I'm looking at this chart real quick here, you can see I was actually convinced after we had this massive drop and then recover that we were going to try to break over this 225.4 resistance line and kind of try to break out up here, but it just couldn't do it. All it did was just pretty much consolidate right at 223 all day long. So what I'm seeing here is we now have 4 red days in a row. We had one small green here, and then we had 3 more red. So we have 7 out of the last 8 days of red on Tesla. Tesla is so beyond due for a bounce, it's not funny. With a double bottom here at 223 with a Dragonfly doji, I am expecting a breakout. This resistance line will be at 221.1. Once that's broken, I'm going to be looking by Wednesday, the day before CPI, to be trying to test the 240s. Really key resistance is going to come at 233.4. That'd be a good first take profit area. I did swing some Tesla calls. I will look to see if we're going to move up tomorrow and see how that does. Key support, though, is 223. If we lose 223 and close below 223, you can see this red channel that we're in. If we start breaking down more, we really could be seeing the 170s to 180s by the end of the week. I think Tesla, if CPI misses, will be an excellent short position. I think it will make a new 52-week low, and I'll be looking to short Tesla if CPI misses on Thursday. I probably would open that as soon as the market opens, assuming CPI misses. And I would probably close that sometime early next week, assuming that earnings are probably going to be pretty good on Tesla, is my guess. So I would not want to really play that past Wednesday next week. The VIX had a really interesting day. We had a huge pop on the VIX at open. I'm not really sure what really warranted that, but here we are. We rejected hard at 34, and we managed to close back below that key 33 level. So now we're kind of stuck between this 28.4 and 33 level. I'm interested to see what the VIX does tomorrow. With this Gravestone Doji on an uptrend like this, we should see the VIX unwind. The one interesting thing is how high the VIX is right now before CPI. This is like the second highest it has been prior to CPI. And if CPI misses and the VIX is already at 33 to 35 range, that's going to easily put it up in the 40s, and that'll make one, a new high, which the highest it's been this year is 38.94, and two, that's going to start capitulation. So you can see currently we are on a trend to be there, and really, I mean, we still are kind of on an uptrend to get there, so I'll be watching that closely. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. I am providing my Discord link right here. That's a lifetime link. If it doesn't work, go ahead and send me a message and I will get you a new link. I do have a pre-market update I do every day where I update with supports and resistances and different scenarios that might play out through the day. I also do a live commentary throughout the day with updates and changes, and I do push out buy and sell alerts on SPY and other tickers that I'm trading at the time. Currently, membership is $20 per month or $228 per year. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok under SPY Optionaire or Reddit under Daddy Dirch.